So we had a little bit of a windstorm come through Connecticut, and we only have one leg of our three-phase currently at the shop, so I haven't been able to really do much with my projects. Not having power hammer, electricity, grinders, and anything like that. So, but I figured I'd give you guys an update on the birds. So I have the 300 layer bar ready to grind up, this is all ready to weld up. I surface ground up the pieces. That'll be 150 layers. I'll have to do it one more time. So it's 30 times 5. And then this one is the birds. I got it all TIG welded up and ready to weld in the forge. See how that goes. Yeah, so maybe next week we'll see when they get our power back. Luckily the furnace is running off of the one leg of the 110 that we have, so we're not going to freeze, which is good because I don't want to have to replace pipes. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys after Christmas. Merry Christmas.